What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Today, we're gonna talk about a topic that I think that could help a lot of barbers out, and that is 3 ways to keep clients in your chair, even if you suck at cutting hair. So let's get to it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Now, I know you're thinking, how am I gonna keep clients in my chair if I don't know how to cut hair good, if I don't know how to put out a low fade or this or that? There's so many different things that go into barbering besides actually cutting hair, and these are 3 ways that I think will help out new barbers that are just coming into the game, and it'll help them to build clientele and put people in their chair and keep them in their chair. So the first way to keep clients in your chair is to be present. Be at the barbershop when the barbershop is open, when the hours of operation are open. I suggest you packing up lunch and taking it to the shop, or just going and grab something quick, get back to the shop, because every minute that you are out of the shop is a potential client to walk into the shop, a potential client that could be in your chair, a potential client that you could lock in. So it's crucial in those first, I'd say, 6 months to a year that you are present in the shop. All hours that the shop is actually open, and this will help you to get clients in your chair. The number 2 thing is to be punctual. So once you start gathering clientele, once you start getting people to start booking with you, one of the big things is punctuality. You want to make sure that if you have a schedule, that you are abiding by that schedule. You want to make sure that if a client books an appointment at 10 a.m., that they're not getting in the chair at 10:30 or 11, or you getting somebody else squeezing in and walking before that client. You want to make sure that you are being punctual. So I'd say that if you have an appointment at 10 a.m., you want to make sure that that client is in the chair no later than 10 a.m. And even if you feel that you can't get that, you can't fulfill that punctuality for some reason, for various scenarios where you may be late or whatever, communication is key. So just make sure you're being punctual with your appointments, being punctual with your schedule. And the third thing is being personable. So make sure that you are well-groomed and well-mannered behind the chair. That type of attitude and that type of appearance will give clients some comfortability of being in your chair. You will be carrying yourself as a professional. So be personable. Make sure that you don't have to be yes or no, sir, but have a positive attitude when getting new clients or any clients in the chair. Make sure that you are there for them, because at the end of the day, this is the service industry. Barbering is in the service industry category. So we are here to service other clients, service our customers, make sure that their hair care needs are taken care of. So those right there are 3 ways that you can keep clients in your chair and not be good at cutting hair at all. I mean, at the end of the day, cutting hair is essential to our job. That is what our job is surrounded by. But I've seen barbers who can't put out the iciest or blurriest fade be booked up with clients because of the fact that they're punctual, they're present, and they're personable. So make sure you take those 3 things into consideration. I hope this video helped somebody out, a new barber, an older barber, somebody who is struggling building clientele. I hope this gets out to you. Share the video with somebody that may need to hear it. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on the post notifications. And until next time, God bless.